AUXBEATS, the producer.
When I be rapping, I can't pay for the shit. When them niggas hating on my shit, like I want to get it shot. Tapping a lot to talk. Me and my ducks got them drugs, so I want to get it shot. Tap a nigga like to talk. I don't understand why these niggas keep dissing and shit. Dissing and shit. Why them niggas keep dissing and shit. Why them niggas keep dissing and shit. All that hate I be receiving, it makes it strong. It's strong. It makes it strong. Fuck I wanna. Fuck I want a shot. Tap in the talk. Me and my dogs. Fuck I want a shot. Me and dogs got them dogs. Fuck I want to get a shot. Tap on the talk. Me and my dogs got them drugs. Me and dogs, my dogs got them drugs. And that nigga up at this, he took for his bonds. Out of my borders, we gon' make it on. Get up and girl. Oh, when I be the rapper, get paid for the shit. We do shit for the bag. We do for the bag. I be hitting for the bag. Yeah, I be hitting for the bag. Niggas take it like that. Now niggas like that. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sabona le futhak me kulekela yamapiano ngisazohamba noma bangifuna phansi endlela yamagesa ngeke right ngihamba la kakhulu ngopastor kokodwa ngempiyana bayamemeza bayamemeza biyadie basohlela bayakhalela niggas the busy chill size, but I must stay humble. Uma que se samba e
AUXBEATS, the producer.